You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. Right now we have 20.7k per Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart here. We see this very area. I've been talking about a breakout for over 4 days now, and on ETH we see this little move to the upside, but I was very sure market is going to come back to the downside. So I'm going to look at this very analysis and what you should do in the next coming days. All of this and more in today's video. Watch the video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the BTC USDT 1-day chart, you see this very area. I've been talking about a breakout, and once this candle close on the 1-day chart BTC USDT, we are going to see the market come right down. And if this candle close below this very support level around this very area, once you see that close, then know the market is going to move into this area of 19k level, and this is what I am paying attention to and what I am expecting on the long term. Market should move right down on this very chart, just like I've been talking about for the past few days now. And on the 4-hour chart here, you see this very area market still here for some time, and right now we've seen a breakout. So market have actually breakout because we've seen a candle that closed below every other close within this area, and right now it is a nice time to take a short position for market to come back to the downside. But one thing very important about this very region where the market is right now is because market move a little bit to the downside, and market has been moving from this very area to the downside. That means there's a probability of market moving a little bit to the upside before the market will finally come back to the downside. I am still looking at the market moving straight into this very area, and that is what I've been talking about on this channel for the past few days. And right now we've seen a breakout. Expect the market to move into this area of support. And on ETH, something very important on ETH is market move a little bit to the upside. You can see right here, market move from this very area of support to the upside, and right now we are seeing market come back into the zone of support again. Now what you have to do is we have to ensure there's a breakout on this very level of support. That means market have to come down a little bit into this area. We could see a possible bounce to the upside, but a breakout here is very important. That means don't take a short position where the market is right now on ETH. Allow the market to come back down, maybe a little consolidation, and a breakout of this level with a significant bearish candle to the downside is a nice time to take a short position on ETH. That means don't take a short position where the market is right now, because we have a support here that will resist the market if market come back down a little bit for the market to move to the upside. So a significant breakout on this level is very, very important. So wait for that breakout to happen before you can take a short position on ETH 4-hour chart on the immediate short term. But on BTC, we've already seen the breakout, and the potential of market riding back to the downside is very, very high right now, just like I've been talking about on this channel. And this breakout, like I said, was inevitable. We have to see the breakout, because if you look at this very area of resistance, the market move right down, retrace, you have this big move to the downside and consolidation. So a breakout is very important for market to move to the downside, and that's what we have seen right now. So that is what I am paying attention to on BTC and ETH 4-hour chart on the immediate short term. What do you think about the market on the 1-day chart? Do you think market is going to bounce from this area and move to the upside, or do you think market is going to follow this analysis and move right down into this level, or even break this level and come back to the downside? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit, link in the description of this video, and do a registration right now. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.